Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Hyde, and with me I have Ethan Gibson, a firmware engineer here at RPH Engineering and the Gun Box. We're here to introduce you today to what we recently developed, the Alertlock. We believe the Alertlock is different than anything else you've ever seen before. It's a security system built into a lock itself. It has all the technology that you would see almost in any home security system. It has the ability to notify you and alert you if anyone tampers with a gun or an enclosure that this is attached to. And with that understanding, knowing that it's basically a security system in a lock, there's a lot of uses. You may ask why we put all this technology into a padlock. Why not just buy a padlock with a lock and key? This is more expensive, it has a lot more technology, but it also gives you the ability to know now if your device is tampered with, and you can have an alert directly to your phone. We value your feedback as we launch this product, and that's why I have Ethan here from our development team. And with your help and your feedback, we can make the process, like I said, this is a much more sophisticated device than just a standard padlock. So it's going to take some extra setup by you as the customer. And there are 3 things that you're going to have to do. We'll provide video to help you do that, but there are 3 things that you're going to have to do to get this set up. And I'm going to let Ethan explain what those are.
So the first step, you'll need to set up an account on the linked website. You'll need your name, a password, and a phone number that you want to receive text messages to. The next step will be downloading the linked mobile app from either the App Store for iOS or the Google Play Store for Android. And then finally, we just need you to connect your device to the linked app and configure Wi-Fi. And
That's it?
That's it.
Right, that's it. There's 3 things that are you're going to have to do that are different than just hanging a lock on a locker or on a tool chest like you would with a standard padlock. So like I say, it's a little bit more technical, but that's it. If you don't do those things, we believe that you can have the full security and safety that you would have for your family personally, but also your device, the devices that this may be protecting. So we appreciate your feedback, and we'll make those videos. You can find them attached on our website or on the flyer that you received this notice from. Thanks for your time.